Police shootings around the country have heightened calls for transparency from law enforcement. But here on the First Coast, things are about to get a lot murkier. That is because the names of the officers involved in a police shooting will now be kept secret. On Your Side's Ann Schindler reports that change is already happening.
You say can and will be used against you in a court of law.
It was sold as a way to protect victims.
What about my rights?
And endorsed by celebrities.
I'm Kelsey Grammer. Marsy's Law for All assures equal rights for victims and their families to be informed and heard before criminals can be paroled. I urge you to support Marsy's Law.
But the meaning of the 2018 constitutional amendment was recently expanded to include police officers. The First District Court of Appeals found officers qualify as victims when they are threatened in a use of force incident. That means their names are protected. The Jacksonville Sheriff's Office tells us that label applies not just to officers assaulted before a shooting, but all officers in all police shootings. JSO has already begun deleting officers' names from what it calls its transparency page. And going forward, they will no longer release officers' names following a police shooting. The court's ruling has been challenged by a consortium of media groups who say it violates the state's open government laws. That argument now heads to the Florida Supreme Court. Ann Schindler, First Coast News, on your side.